as and when the information starts trickling in. But let's move on then. In just another dominant chapter in cricket's biggest rivalry, India outclasses Pakistan by 61 runs in Colombo to storm into the Super 8. Ishan Kishan was the star of the night, smashing a sensational 77 off just 40 balls on a slow spin-friendly surface on a pitch so tacky that Pakistan bowled 18 overs of spin after opting to field. Now Kishan rose above the conditions to power India to what proved 30 runs above power. The result, well, India made it 8-1 against Pakistan in T20 World Cup, sealing the largest margin of victory in this high-voltage T20 clash. Well, let's go across to my colleague Karishma Singh now, who was at the stadium last night and was enjoying the match. Clearly, we were not Shrishti, but someone who did enjoy. Let's go across to her and find out what transpired live in action.
The Indian fans are, of course, very excited with this win. And Let's go! What would you say about the win today? It was fantastic!
Amazing! Amazing! Love it! Love it! Love it! India! 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 India!
A word for Ishan Kishan, the way he played today?
Ishan Kishan played extremely well as throughout the series and last 1 year he is playing very well.
Sir, what would you want to say? Can you say anything? So Pakistan fans obviously very, very sad here. I have some more Pakistan fans that I see. I can invite you to come here and talk about your team if you feel like it. But anything to say?
I think we're very disappointed, and it's been very disappointing. We didn't have the game from the start.
Fans are very, very high on emotions right now. They're of course very, very excited here as well. More and more fans coming in. Pakistan fans, like I am saying, very, very sad. There is a little girl here with me. If you could just jump in a little and tell us what is it that you want to say. How did you like the Indian batting today?
I really liked it, and I think it was really impressive that we won.
It was really impressive. And do you think India will continue to be the defending champions?
Yes, we will.
Yes, we will. So this is the message from a little girl here. What's your name?
Smriti.
Smriti, who is saying that India will also win this World Cup. More and more visuals here of the Indian team.
All right, so that was the excitement on ground, and of course, we Indians really celebrated the victory. But with this, viewers, it's time now to slip into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with